was invited to a party that Jenny was doing, and when I went there, she looked like she was having a really great time, and then she told me she made a lot of money that night, and that's really exciting for me, is that she was there for a really short period of time but made just a crap ton of money. So I was really excited to also do that. That year I was getting married, so I signed up in June, I got married in December. So another big part of that was that I really wanted to make extra money so I didn't have to say I couldn't get the things that I wanted for my wedding. I made really good money in a short period of time. We paid for a lot of our wedding. It was really awesome that I didn't have to sacrifice the things that I wanted to get and I wanted to have for that day.